Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add button menu icons within WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate your WordPress account and customize your site's navigation menu by incorporating button icons. To start, open your preferred web browser and go to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the page where you will see the login option. Click on this login button to begin the process of signing into your account. After clicking login, a new window or page will appear asking for your credentials. Instead of entering your details manually, locate the option that says Continue with Google. Clicking this option will allow you to sign in using your Google account. Choose your desired Google account from the list provided. With your account now linked to WordPress, you are well on your way to customizing your site. Once you have successfully signed in, navigate to the area labeled Quick Links. Here you will find an option called Edit Site. Go ahead and click on Edit Site to open the site editor. This brings you to a more detailed view where you can adjust various aspects of your website's design and functionality. It is in this editing interface where you will make modifications to your navigation menu. Within the site editor, locate the section labeled Navigation. Clicking on Navigation will display the settings for your website's menu. In this view, you have the opportunity to choose the specific menu you want to modify. Carefully select your menu so that any changes you make will appear just where you intend them to on your site. By choosing the right menu, you ensure that the changes are applied to your website's main navigation. With the menu visible on your screen, you will notice three dots. These three dots are part of a contextual menu that allows you to access further options. Click on these three dots to reveal more editing features. When the menu of options appears, look for the edit option and click on it. This action will allow you to dive deeper into the customization settings, giving you control over specific elements of your menu. Now that you have entered the edit mode, the next action is to add a block. Adding a block will enable you to incorporate various design elements into your menu. Once you have initiated the add block process, you should see several block options. Out of these options, find and click on buttons. This choice opens up a section where you can add, modify and customize button elements within your navigation menu. After clicking on the buttons option, direct your attention to the settings on the right panel. Here you are given the opportunity to change the link for the button. By adjusting the link on the right settings panel, you can direct users to the desired page. Next, make sure you also change the button text. This step ensures that the label on the button accurately reflects its purpose and gives visitors clear guidance on what to expect when they click. Following these instructions will help you successfully add button menu icons to your WordPress site. The process is designed to be quick and efficient, taking just a few minutes from start to finish. By carefully following this guide, you will enhance your site's navigation and create a more interactive and visually appealing experience for your users. Enjoy customizing your website and exploring the many creative possibilities within WordPress.